Hola, hello. Welcome back to Color and Canvas. As you can see, we just did a pour. It was a beautiful pour. Insert picture here. This is where I'm going to show you the pour that we did that left behind this mess. I'm really happy with the way that it came out. So this is the pour that all the drips came from. It's one of our little landscape pours, and I turned it around a couple of times, and you'll see here are the puddles that we're going to be dipping into. And I was about to clean up my work surface. As you can see, all the paints are mixed together. And I wondered if there was enough paint to do a dip. So, little 4x6 canvas. There's not enough paint to do a dip. But I wondered, what if we tried to combine all the drips from all over the place with what we have here and see whether we can do a dip. You know, if it doesn't work out, what have we lost? Really not much, right? Because if it doesn't work out, we were going to clean up our work surface anyways. But what if it does work? What if it's beautiful? Well, then we get another painting out of it. Out of all this paint that would otherwise have ended up either becoming gray in a cup, which is probably what it will become if we're not successful with this, or we end up with a beautiful painting. So let's see whether we can end up with a beautiful painting. Let's see whether we can. The other thing that I have is I have a little bit of gold left. So why don't we drizzle the gold and the silver around the edges to fill in the edges. And then we may have a little gold and silver frame. That would look kind of nice, actually. Now let's see. Pretty close, but not close enough. So let us just squeeze a little bit of silver to finish our frame. Just to be on the safe side. Okay. Let's dip. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Dip. You can hear a motorcycle going by outside. When you're right in the city, boy oh boy, there is a lot of sound. And you really get used to it after a while. But I am not used to it when I'm doing a video. That I am not used to. So let's just a little bit of pressure on here. Make sure we don't have any air bubbles in there. Just so lightly. I think it's okay. Let's lift 1, 2, 3. Oh, isn't that interesting with the silver halo? You can see we've missed a couple of tiny, tiny spots. Those are so easy to fix. Just move this right here where you guys can see it. Very, very simple fix on that. We'll just pick up some blue paint. Add it right in. Give that a little swirl. And it's perfect, and you never know that anything was missing. And we'll do the same right here. We'll pick up a little bit of gold and a little bit of silver. And just like that, that one is done. That is so unusual. I really kind of like the silver haze around it. I think it looks kind of nice. Let's give that a little torch. And it turned around because I think it goes this way, so I need to see it from my point of view and decide whether we want to make any changes to it. But I don't think so. This could be something really beautiful to embellish later on, so I think we're going to leave it just the way that it is. Let it dry, and if I'm going to do an embellishment, I will show you guys that as well at a later time. All right, thanks again for watching. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's so adorable. Thanks for watching. We always appreciate it. And there, see what you can do with some drips on your table. Sometimes it's really, really fun, and you end up with a cool result. Anyways, go paint something beautiful, have some fun, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.